Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Deconstruct Pore Control Serum 2% Salicylic Acid, 3% niacinamide. Available on the Smitten application in the trial section for 3 trial points. The price is 399 rupees. This is available on Nykaa, Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart, Smitten and on Deconstruct website too. You can get the full-sized product in the discounted price. This is non-sponsored video. This is a rare combination of salicylic acid and niacinamide. It works effectively on pores, blackheads and whiteheads, helps to exfoliate dirt, sebum and dead cells and to control the excessive oil production. Let's see the features. 2% salicylic, that is beta hydroxy acid BHA, is oil-loving exfoliant that exfoliates the deeper skin layer and fights the blackheads and whiteheads. Next ingredient is 3% niacinamide, which absorbs the excess sebum from the pores and thus reduces the appearance of the pores. Here is my review. I have oily sensitive acne prone skin. This serum suits me well. No irritation, no tingling sensation, especially around my mouth area, which is much more sensitive. No burning, no itching, nothing happened. It didn't dry out my skin. Non-greasy, non-sticky formula. I liked it. It controlled my whiteheads. Also, it controls the excessive sebum production, but not that drying. I really impressed with the formula. I'm using this thrice a week. I had used it anytime, means sometimes in the morning skincare routine and sometimes at night time. It works really well. It suits me without irritating the face. So if I needed to buy the salicylic acid serum in the future, then there are a lot of chances that I might buy this again. Depends how much discount I will got on the full-sized product. As you know, the full-sized products are quite expensive. And yes, you can also give it a try. And one thing I like to mention here, I'm used to with the most of the acid serums. So first do the patch test and watch other reviews too for your help. I gave the review according to my skin type, that is oily, sensitive, acne prone. If you have also tried this serum, then do let me know your thoughts. If you have tried salicylic acid serum from other brands, then you can mention them too in the comment section below, whether you like them or not. I will really like to know that. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.